Hi there, everyone. So I have this tankless water heater here. This is a Rheem Performance RTEX-13 tankless water heater, and I just wasn't getting hot water anymore, and very low pressure. So at first, I had a plumber come out, and he installed these service valves, and he flushed out the lines with a solution. So that got my pressure back, but I still wasn't getting hot water. I just had this consistent, like warm room temperature water. And I finally called up the number on the manual, the help desk, and we did some troubleshooting. And it turns out, well, at first I thought it was these thermistors here. Just go in, check the temperature here. So I got a new set of those and replaced them out today, but they didn't work. I was still getting the same problem. So then I called up again, and very nice woman. She directed me to look into uh, the heating cylinder here. So I took it out. Check this out. Look look at that thing. That is shot. Yeah, so that's 2 years of Lake City tap water right there. And so now I know to flush this annually. So I'm gonna make that a habit here. But yeah, that thing is just messed up. So I just ordered a new part. It was on sale with shipping, came to about $50. So we'll see how it is in a couple days, and I'll get back to you. It's the Artex Rheem tankless water heater. Bye.